So right now we are in St. Mary's, which is our biggest dorm space on campus. It houses a lot of first and second years. In this building, we have standard double rooms, which means it's 2 people to a room and a communal bathroom at the end. It's a great community. It's a really big lounge area. Residence Life loves to host events in here like bingo nights and movie nights. So right now we're in a St. Mary's dorm. This is a pretty standard double dorm. Each room comes with a mini fridge and a microwave, as well as desks and dresser spaces. We also have free laundry services on every floor in St. Mary's, as well as a full-scale kitchen in the basement. So there are a couple ways you can find roommates here at St. Kate's. You can go to our Accepted Students Instagram page and meet people that way. You can come in with somebody you know, as well as go into our random matches, which is not so random. You fill out a survey, and Residence Life pairs you with the best person that they can find. And our last way is to go to Accepted Students events hosted by Admissions.